got a 2008 RX350 and I'm having trouble when I push the button getting this door to open. So I'm going to show you how to fix that. So the part that's broken is this part right here. There's supposed to be a little tab on the edge of that, and it flips the door open when you push the button. So we're going to change that out. We got one off of Amazon. This is what the part actually looks like. Basically, you just pop it off of that rod right there. You just get your screwdriver underneath it and lift it up, and it comes off. So when you put it back in, put your door at about a 90-degree angle. Stick the curved end here first, and then put the rest of it in there, and then get your screwdriver and mash on it right there, and it'll put it in place. Then you have a door that should be working. There we go. Got it fixed. Alright, that's how you fix the door that won't open on a 2008 RX350.